Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study toggle. So I already created a new file. Toggle is a SwiftUI control that allows us to switch between binary state 0 or 1. And you may have mostly seen these toggle buttons in the settings app. So let's just see how we can use toggle. So I will wrap this text in a VStack in here, and then if I type toggle, you can see we have all of these different initializer, but we are more interested in this simple one that accepts the string for the title and a binding for the state. So let's just have a state in here, and let's just maybe name it as vibrate on text, and let's give it our default value of false. So for the title we can say maybe vibrate on text, and for this is on, we are going to pass our state to this binding. So for that we have to use a dollar sign, and then we can pass our state. And let's just give a padding to VStack. So this is how a toggle button looks like. We can press on it to turn it on or off. Yeah, and if you want, you can actually use a different if you want a styling for this title, you can use a different version of toggle. So for that we have to provide the state first. So let's just have a second state that says notification, and let's just have another toggle button, and this time we are going to directly pass our state to this binding. And for the title we are going to use a view, and this can be anything that conforms to a view, like you can use image, VStack, HTag, a combination of them. So let's just have in here a text that says notification, and let's just provide a font of headline maybe. So now we have a second toggle button, and we can actually provide our default value as true as well. That will turn on the toggle button by default. And if you want, we can change the style for this toggle button. We have to style a button and a switch. By default is switch, but we can use button as well. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. And if you want, you can change the default color of the screen to any color you like, for any color that matches your theme by using a tint. So let's just have maybe a yellow color instead. So that's it for this tutorial. That's how we can use or work with toggle. See you in the next video.